But then in addition, and that's the more relevant part here, they bind to specific receptors that are called nuclear receptors or cytoplasmic receptors. And these are molecules that are basically shuttling between the cellular nucleus and the cellular cytoplasm all the time. But once they bind one of those hormone molecules, they are recruited to the nucleus and then act as transcription factors, which means that they can directly change gene expression across the genome. And people have shown that, for instance, the estrogen receptor that binds estradiol can change the expression of thousands of genes in a very long-lasting manner. And that's really interesting because that is sort of a biological substrate by which these two hormones can change neuronal physiology over days and weeks and sometimes even permanently.
Yeah, yeah. So we can imagine, so these things change not only month to month, day to day in the context of something like the estrous cycle, but they're changing developmentally, right? When puberty happens, when menopause happens, they're changing when a female becomes pregnant. And so they can affect neurons immediately. They can sort of change gene expression to affect neurons over the course of hours and days. They can also kind of completely resculpt circuits and change things potentially even permanently, after a woman gets pregnant or after you go through puberty or what have you.